You talk from there. Okay, this was a heated moment, but we will have a chance to show you the injured guard. Everyone here is just confident that the situation must change for the better and not for the worse. Because these are federal security officers whom they are injuring. They are shooting at federal security officers.
Even in the first video, are you saying this one? Yes. The second time,
oh God, you can't imagine. This is one of the guards who was injured. Oh God, this is the security officer who was shot at by fellow security officers. So these guys seem to be insensitive. But they have talked to them and called their bosses. Getting back. That was another.